Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what's going on Bitcoin before we close the day for today. So basically we are going on the 1 hour chart here to see what's going on in this move from Bitcoin and from the crypto market, all of it. Honestly, it looks like a very creepy move, honestly, and it's somehow like the market is very confused, and it doesn't really have some confidence even to push for higher. Yeah, somehow it is pushing for higher, but the confidence is not really strong. Yeah, so we can see it already from the price movement here, pushing up and directly down, pushing up and directly down. So the things are still, of course, yeah, shaky. So basically, at the end, I'm still looking for higher. Yeah, we need to finish this correction. There is no way to somehow dump from there. Why? Because the only way to dump from there is a finished wave Y, which is, of course, a kind of like a zigzag. And even this zigzag is 3 waves, which is unacceptable. And meaning this still need a 5th wave, at least to finish the zigzag in 5 waves, right? And that's why we are looking at least here even one more high. Plus, if we are in an A, B, and a C as well, you're looking for wave C 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning at least one more wave towards the upside. Finally, a W, an X, and a wave Y, as we mentioned, it has to be, of course, a bigger wave Y to take the high here. It's a very rare case that the wave Y doesn't take the high. So I'm still expecting, of course, higher prices sooner or later. And this is corrective, of course, but at the end, it has to unfold. Unless the only possibility that we have here to dump directly, which also impossible. Why? Because if you are in a triangle, A, B, C, D, and an E, right? So A, B, C, D, and an E, the wave E took the high. Yeah, funny thing. It's a drunk market again. I already mentioned this today in the Discord. It's really like a drunk market. So yeah, we still, of course, looking, of course, for one more high before we dump toward the downside again for a final wave. Definitely, this is correction. Definitely, there is nothing really bullish that we might expect still. Nobody knows. In case, of course, the market decides this at the 1-to-1 fib level here and decides to push really further higher. It can be, of course, but we need to break the 1-to-1 fib level at 75K. This is the only case that we can consider something, of course, pushing as an impulse toward the upside. But so far, let us bring this high, this new high, and it will be great. Yeah, just to move on at least with the crypto market here, because it's a very, very boring range. It's time to break it. Yeah, so this is regarding Bitcoin. I'm still looking for higher again. 15-minute chart here. What is unfolding is a potential wave 4 finished over there in our testing area, perfectly given a signal and then continuation toward the upside. However, yeah, again, it's a drunk market. We see, of course, somehow, yeah, hesitation, confusion again. Like, oh, should we go up? No, I think we push down. Yeah, so it's a little bit confusing, guys. So it didn't complete the impulse yet, and that's why I'm wondering, like, why it doesn't continue the impulse, at least to take the high. Yeah, so take the high, continue the 5 ways, and then dump again. So yeah, but very, very confusing. So trade safe, of course. At the end, it is a corrective, and of course, due to the circumstances around the world right now, it is understandable that the market is very, very confused and we don't know what to do. Yeah, so we'll see, guys. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.